the previous video, we have shown you tutorial about how to create tables on the Crystal report sections. In here, we will show you how to convert values or number into currency. If you see in the report here, there is price, but this is just look like a common number in here. Now, we can convert this table from database into the currency format. Just right click and click Format Objects. Please select Number tab in here and choose Customize. For example, I will select currency symbol in here and choose currency symbol, and this is the default value is using a dollar like this. Then click OK. If you try to click Start, you will see the values is converted into currency. This is better rather than we edit into database. Then if you need some format, just right click again, choose Format Object. In the custom style, select Customize. For example, we will try using another currency, for example rupees, and we can also using Fixed and click OK. Then we can run the project and click Show in here, and you can see in the Fixed format there is the symbol is on the left side in here, and wherever you choose, it's your choice. Hope this video helpful for you.